This is lecture 5, signals and systems. Now in this lecture I'm going to solve the two problems on operations on signals. So question is given like this: continuous time signal x of t shown below. That is, x of t is given, we have to do these operations on this signal, right? So the first operation is like this. So x of t is this one, so -2, -1. So these are the time points and these are the amplitudes, 1, 2, and this is also 1, and so on. Now this is the time shifting and this is delay, that is, this should be delayed by 1 unit. That means for time axis points, -1 is there, no? Add +1, add +1, add +1, add +1, right? So that will be moved to like this. So this is 0, so it will be moved to 1. This is -1, it will be moved to 0. So that is like this. And this -2 will become to -1, and -1 will become 0. So -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. This is -1, 1, and this is 2, and this is again 1. This is the x of t -1, which is delayed version. Next one. So next question is like this: x of 4 minus t by 2 we need to do. So this can be rewritten as x of minus t by 2 plus 4. Now while doing this type of operations, so we have to go for either two methods. So one of method we need to choose, that is, suppose if I do first shifting, that means t plus 4 we have to take separate, then the scaling should be done the later, that is first reversal, that is because of reversal is here, so minus t plus 4, then we will do the scaling. Otherwise take -1 by 2 common, so make it as t minus 8. Now first to do the reversal, that is minus of t, then do the scaling, then do the shifting of this t minus 8. I will do one procedure, so you do the second procedure and compare the results, we should get the same. Now x of t plus, so I will do the first procedure. So x of t is like this, so -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Now the moment x of t plus 4, each and every point we need to add +4, I mean +4 is there, we need to add -4. So -4, -2, -6, -1, -4, -5. So it will become -6, -5, 0, -4, it will become -4, 1, -4, it will become -3, 2, -4, it will become -2. Now it will be shifted by the left side by 4 times. So that is written by like this. So it will be written like this, 4 times. It will be shifted leftwards, that is -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, right? So 2 is gone to -2, this is 2, this is x of t plus 4. Now what is the next one? Next one is reversal. So reverse this one, that means after reversal, -6 will become +6, -5 +5 it will become, so so just multiply with the -1. So after reversal, that is x of minus t plus 4, it will become like this. So from 2 to it will start, so 2 to 1 or 2 to 3 it will become like this, then and so on, right? Now the moment it is flipped like this, right? So from 5 to 6 it will be moved like this, right? This is 5, 6, this is 4, this is amplitude is 2, here is 1, here is -1. Just it is flipped like this. Now the last one we need to do is the scaling, that is minus t by 2. That means x of minus t by 2 plus 4 means, now scaling factor a into t, a is less than 1 here, so that means this 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, that means it is divided here, so it will be multiplied here. So it will become 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 4 into 2, 5 into 2, 6 into 2, right? So it will become like this. So I will draw like this, same will be shifted from 2 into 2 4, 3 6, then 4 2s are 8, then 10, then 12, and amplitude never changes, -1 1 2. Now this is the final answer. Now if you follow the second procedure also, you should get the same thing, that you can verify, right? Next we will do this question, that is x of t plus x of minus t into u of t. That is, first we will do reversal, then we will add with the x of t, then we will multiply with the whole this x of t plus x of minus t into u of t. Now this is the x of t given, that is -2 -1 and 0 1 2, and these are the amplitudes. Now to add this one, first we will have to find these expressions, because we will get same expressions in the reversal also. Now this is the t plus 1 is the this one. Why? Because when I substitute t equal to -2, we will get amplitude as -1, and t equal to -1 we will get amplitude as 0. How to solve this one? This is the one point which is -2 comma -1. One more point is -1 comma 0. If we solve these two expressions, that is f of t y minus y1 by x minus x1, t plus 2 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So f of t we will get t plus 1, because we can simply say it is a positive slope, t plus 1. Similarly, we can get this expression as minus t plus 2. One point is 1 comma 1, next point is 2 comma 0. So if we solve, we will get the expressions like this. Now this is the x of t. What is x of minus t? Whatever the positive axis, it will be transferred to negative. Whatever the negative, it will be transferred to positive. So it will become like this. Whatever it is here, so it will become this, right? Now this is minus t plus 2. So reversal means minus of minus t plus, so see, t plus 2, and this as it is like this. Similarly, this will be transferred. So from 0 to 1 it will be like this. Then from 1 to there is a discontinuity. Then 1 to 2 there is a slope like this, right? Now this is t plus 1, and we replace by minus t, so it will become minus t plus 1. Now if I add each and every point, now see, -2 to -1 t plus 2, -2 to minus 1 t plus 1. So if I add these two, it will become 2t plus 3. That is, when t equal to -2, -4 plus 3, it will become -1. At -2 -1, at -1 it will become +1, -2 plus 3 1. But if I see -1.5, so it will become 0. So that's why it is becoming like this. Now if you see -1 to 0 here and here, so -1 to 0 the amplitude is 1, but -1 to 0 the amplitude is 2. So 2 plus 1, it will become 3, right? Like this. Now similarly, if you see from 0 to 1, here 1, but if you see here 0 to 1, it is 2. So again 2 plus 1, we will get 3. So from -1 to 1, we will get 3 amplitude. Next one, 1 to 2, this is minus t plus 1, and this one is minus t plus 2. So what we will get? Minus 2t plus 3 in this region, that is -1 to 2. Same if you go with the t is equal to 1, -2 plus 3, we will get 1, and if we substitute 2, we will get -1. This is the addition of the x of t plus x of minus t, and this we have to multiply with the u of t. U of t is nothing but unit step signal, so it will be from 0 to infinity, there is a constant amplitude which is 1. Now if I multiply, so from -infinity to 0, the amplitude is 0, so 0 into anything we will get 0, total will be vanished. Then 1 into anything we will get that value. Suppose x into 1, we will get x value. So whatever this here, same will be here. So this is the final answer for this question. Next question, you will see the D, which is like this. So D is given like this: x of t into del of t plus 3 by 2 minus del of t minus 3 by 2, right? Now this is x of t given, but before that we need to see what is this shifting. we know that unit impulse function or unit impulse signal is this like this. So at t equal to 0 we'll have the amplitude as infinity but area is 1. So this is actually area. Now how to shift this one is, suppose delta t plus 3 by 2, that means we have to add for 0 minus 3 by 2 because this is a left shift. T minus 3 by 2 is a right shift, so plus 3 by 2. If I add t minus 3 by 2 means at 3 by 2 we will get area as 1, right, or amplitude as infinity. Similarly del of t plus 3 by 2, that means left shift minus 3 by 2 will have the area as 1. Now we have to subtract delta t plus 3 by 2 and delta t minus 3 by 2. So delta t plus 3 by 2 whatever it will be here only, but for delta minus 3 by 2 we should have the negative sign, that means the amplitude or whatever area will become minus, that is the here minus 1, that is where 1.5 minus 1.5. So this is delta of, so if I multiply it with x of t, see we are having only two functions here, that is at 1.5 minus 1.5. Now if you see this, what is this at minus 1.5 and this is 1.5, right? We already found this expression, it is t plus minus t plus 1 and this expression is t plus 1, right? Now how, if I substitute minus 2 here, so minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, if I substitute minus 1 it will become 0. If I substitute 1 here, so this is minus t plus 1, so it will become 0, so it's not the correct way. If this is t minus 2 minus t plus 2, right? Now at t equal to 1, so minus 1 plus 2 will get 1, at t equal to 2 will get 0. So this is also one trial and error method to find the expression, or we can say normal procedure, that is at this point what is the amplitude 1 and the x-axis is also 1, so 1 comma 1 2 2 comma 0, so then you can find the expression. Now this is, we know that t plus 1 at t equal to minus 1.5, minus 1.5 plus 1, what is the amplitude? Minus 0.5. So if I multiplied with delta t plus 3 by 2 this etc., so at minus 1.5 we got 1, but in this here we got minus 0.5, so minus 0.5 into 1, so we'll get area as minus 0.5. Now similarly here 1.5 we got minus 1 here, but if we see minus t plus 2, so at t equal to 1.5 minus 1.5 plus 2 we'll get 0.5, right? 0.5 into minus 1, so we'll get minus 0.5. So the final answer is at 1.5 we'll get minus 0.5 here, similarly minus 1.5 we'll get minus 0.5 as the area, or we can say amplitude also, right? Next we'll see the last one, E. It is like this, E is equal to x of minus 2t minus 1. Again this is, it's having reversal and scaling as well as shifting. Again two methods. Now this time I will go the second procedure, that is x of minus 2, if I take common it will become t plus 1 by 2, right? Now how to proceed this one? First I will take x of t, then I will go for minus t, then I will go for x of minus 2t, then finally I will shift, that is x of minus of 2 of t plus half, right? Now what is the procedure? So x of t is like this, minus 2, this is minus 1 0 1 2, right? It is like this. This is x of t. What is x of minus t? The reversal that already we found, that is like this. This is x of minus t, right? Whatever the positives it will be transferred to negative, minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. Now x of minus 2t, that is x already we have reversal, that is reversal is happened, then we will do just scaling. So see x of at, so a is greater than 1, so the signal will be compressed. So it will be as it is, but it will be slightly compressed, that is like this. So minus 2 by 2, so it will become minus 1. This will become minus 1 by 2. This is 0. This is 1 by 2. This is 1. This is a compressed version, right? This is x of minus 2t. That's it. The last step is we have to go with the shifting, which is plus 1 by 2. That means the left shift. For each and every point, add minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2. It will become minus 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1. 0 minus 1 by 2, it will become minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 0. So 1 minus 1 by 2, it will become 1 by 2. So this is the points. So here you will get like this. That's it. 1, 2 and so on. Just half of the left shift. So it will be minus 3 by 2. It will be minus 1. And it will be at 0. So we will get 2 to 1. There is a discontinuity. Then from 0 to half, or it will be shifted to minus half to 0. So minus half to 0. Then 1 by 2 to 1, it will become 0 to 1 by 2. So this is the final answer, right? So this is how to perform some operations on different signals. The questions, next question is given like this. Let x of t be a signal with x of t equal to 0 for t less than 0. That means less than 3. So suppose if it is 3 here, so for less than 3 we are getting some 0 amplitude. So this is some x of t, and greater than t, this is unknown, so we can say it is non-zero. So whatever, we don't bother about what is the signal. But he is asked question, determine the values of t for which it is guaranteed to be 0. That means one by one we have to check. So the first one is x of 1 minus t. Now if I rearrange this one, x of minus t plus 1. Now again two methods will be there. So first the shifting will do x of t plus 1. As 1 will be shifted, that is 3 minus 1. So it will become, from 2 will get. Next one is there is a reversal. So it will be from 2 to infinity is here. It will become minus 2 to minus 2. So that is like this. That means this after reversal it is like this. This is x of 1 minus t. Now where it is 0, when t is greater than minus 2. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. The x of 1 minus 2 is guaranteed to be 0. That is the solution. Similarly, I can make it as x of 1 minus 2 plus x of 2 minus t. Then how can we find the guaranteed to be 0? That you can do easily, right? So that is x of 2 minus t. How to do? This is b, x of 1 minus t plus x of 2 minus t. So already we found x of 1 minus t, that is like this. From minus 2 to minus infinity there is a signal x of 1 minus t. What is x of 2 minus t? First we will do x of t plus 2. That is, it is x of t is from 3. So plus 2 means it will become from 1, whatever the signal. So 1, because 2 left shifts. So 3 minus 2 will become 1. Now if I do the reversal, minus 2, that is minus t plus 2. So it will become from minus 1. This is a signal. So if I add these two signals, what is the resultant we will get? We will get, this is minus infinity to minus 2, this is minus infinity to minus 1. So the whole resultant will become the up to minus 1. Now where it is guaranteed to be 0, t is greater than minus 1. Right? The last one I will do here is x of 3t. You do the remaining. So x of 3t is, so it is 3 from 3 to infinity there is a non-zero. So x of 3t means we should divide with 3, so it will become 1 to 3. So x of 3t will become whatever the signal, it will become 1, right? 3 by 3 will be 1. That means x of 3t will be 0 for t less than 1, that is here in this region the signal is having 0, right? So that is the remaining problem you do yourself. So this is about some operations on the different signals. So you can verify any textbooks, so take different problems, do at least 10 more problems to be familiar with these operations on the different signals, right?